A Walmart SparkDriver background check usually blocks your onboarding until it clears, and most delays happen because of identity verification issues or old records that need manual review. By the end, you'll know how long the background check typically takes, what causes delays, and what you can do if yours is stuck. Here's how it works. When you apply for Walmart SparkDriver, your background check is handled through a third-party screening service inside the Spark app. You don't deal with Walmart directly for this step. Everything runs through the onboarding system. The process usually checks driving history and criminal records based on the information you submit. If everything matches cleanly, the system can move you forward without extra steps. When people get stuck, it's usually not random. It's almost always one of three things. The first is a mismatch in personal details, like a name or address that doesn't exactly match public records. The second is a driving record that needs manual review instead of automatic approval. The third is system delays, especially when a lot of new drivers are applying at the same time in the same area. If your check is still pending, it doesn't always mean something is wrong. It often just means it hasn't finished processing through the background screening partner yet. The important thing is what you should do while you wait. You don't need to reapply unless the app explicitly tells you to. Reapplying too early can actually slow things down because it creates duplicate submissions in the system. What you should do instead is keep your app profile fully complete. Make sure your license, insurance, and personal details match exactly across all documents. If it stays pending for an extended period with no update, the next step is contacting Spark support through the app and asking for a status check on your background screening. In most cases, there's no action needed unless the app flags an issue. Summary: the background check runs through a third-party system inside the Spark app. Delays usually come from mismatched details or manual review. Most pending checks don't require you to do anything. Next step is simple. Check your application details for accuracy, then wait for the system update before taking further action. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, subscribe and stay tuned.